Hi there everyone, welcome to another Minecraft tutorial video here on the channel, and within this video I've got something pretty cool to show you here. As you can see, I am a giant right here. I am 15 plus more scale than normal as a Minecraft player, and it's all because of this mushroom right here. So that is why I am a massive giant right now. This mushroom is applying a attribute modifier that makes me giant form, I suppose. But as you can see, as soon as I take it away, I am now back to normal. So that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. I have looked at attribute modifiers in a previous tutorial, but that was about attack damage and attack speed. This time it is the scale of the player. So essentially, I'm going to be teaching you a command to give you this mushroom right here, which is named a giant mushroom. And when it's in the main or offhand or whichever hand you actually hold it on, it will give you 15 plus scale, which will take you to 16 scale on the player, which I believe is the maximum scale you can do in the game. So you can reach the maximum scale using this item. But I'm actually doing this tutorial as well because in a recent update to Minecraft 1.20.5, they changed how data is set and stored for items. And this did affect attribute modifiers and this particular command. So that is why I'm also doing this tutorial as well. Within this, we're using the attribute modifiers component in Minecraft, the new data component. And essentially, we are applying that to the player through the item, and it will only work with that item. If I get myself another red mushroom right here, this red mushroom will not work, but this one does because it applies the modifier through the item data that's stored against it. So I'm in Minecraft 1.20.6, and this should work for Minecraft 1.21 as well. And hopefully the command syntax will not change that much at all. But let's get to looking at the command in a text editor so I can show you in more detail. Alright everyone, we're now inside the text editor right here, and this is the one command I'm showing you in this video. This one command should give you the giant mushroom, and it should have a custom name that says giant mushroom, and it should apply the scaling. So we're doing this command should be in the description of the video, so you can copy and paste it into your Minecraft and so on. But we're doing /give as a command. We're doing @p, which means the nearest player. You may need to run this in a command block, depending on how long this command actually is. But we're giving a red mushroom as an item, and using the new syntax for data components, we're going to do some square brackets here. We are then going to set the custom name component to giant mushroom using single and double quotes because we're doing a very simple name. I have done a tutorial on this as well, which you can check out on my channel. And then here we're doing the attribute modifiers component. So here we can actually specify a collection of modifiers that the item actually gives the player. So that is why we're doing square brackets right here. And per attribute entry, we actually have to provide this data. So the type, so generic.scale, which allows us to change the player scale. We then have to specify the slot. So what slot, what circumstances when the player is using it is the attribute actually applied. So if we just do hand, then either hand will work with this item. Now, the next one here is the uuid, or the universally unique ID. This is just one I've generated for this attribute modifier we're doing. These need to be unique per modifier that you generate for a type of item, so bear that in mind. And then I'm not setting the actual name of the item here. I'm just setting that blank. But this is the important bit right here. we're doing operation add value, and we're adding 15 to the current scale of the player. So if the current scale of the player is 1, we're adding 15 to the scale, and that makes it the maximum, which I believe is 16 scale. So I think that's the normal scale for a giant in Minecraft, but that is the command right there. Pretty straightforward, but it allows you to be an absolute beast and an awesome giant for sure. Alright everyone, thank you for watching this video right here. If you did find this useful, then a like, subscribe on the video. Be very much appreciated, and make sure that you hit notification bell to stay notified of any future videos here on the channel. If you want to follow my socials, they're on screen and in the description. And if you have any other tutorials you want me to look at or do, let me know in the comments down below, and I may do it for a future video. But have fun being an absolutely humongous player in your world. And I'll see you in the next video, everyone. Stay happy and healthy as always, and bye-bye.